Good morning, friends. I am ArnabWorld. Today I am sharing how to make a airplane, a robot, and a race car. Okay. So you need blocks. Just these blocks. They're called Legos. Okay. So I am making a first. Okay. So you need the base. You see, you need to join 4 blocks together, up and down. You see, it look like a cube. But I am not making a cube. I am making a robot. Yeah, I mean airplane. See, you need 2 blocks together, but you actually is more nicer. Okay, I put like this. Okay, you see, like this. You see, here is a lots of points still. We can use later that. So you need the bottom. You see the bottom like this. You need to touch 2 blocks together in the bottom part. Okay, and the front part is look like this. I already put this. Okay, and here we go. And not finish the airplane. You need to put this like this. Okay, you see? These things, I put this here. You see, the back is look like this. And there is another one. Repeat but in the side, okay? Like this. You need to push it in the joints. And here is finish the airplane. You want to make a real airplane, you need to study well. Your brain work very well. Don't make any mistakes. Okay? So you need to study well, then your numbers go up to 100. Now I am making more things to explore. I am making a robot. You see, you need 2 blocks together, and this large block, just 3 blocks touch together. You need to touch the bottom of the part, and the front you need to do these 2 blocks to join. Okay, so you put up again, just like the bottom part, and give another one up. It is the head, just like human body. You have this oval head. You can see my head. Okay, but this robot I am trying to make like this. Like this. You see? It look like a video. I am testing this. I am feeling like I am playing a game. So I am making a race car. Okay? Just not only race car have when it's too fast and smoke come out, rainbow smoke. You see, now you get it. Okay, you need to make the frame, the booster. See, look like this, the booster. And more, repeat 2. You need 2. You not 1, 2. Just learn. So here is the robot. Here is the airplane, and here is the car. Next time I am showing you how to make different things like that clock, like a frame. Okay, so bye bye.